Welcome to a unique resource for all of New Hampshire, the Olson Advanced Manufacturing Center in Durham.
The mission of the Olson Center is to help industry with any problems they have related to new product development, material selection, and manufacturing process development. So we work with industry to solve whatever technological issues that they have. Part of our ability to help industries, we keep the latest equipment that is available, and we also develop a lot of equipment that isn't out there.
This sprawling facility isn't just a university resource. It's a resource for the entire state.
One of the unique things about the Olson Centers is we are not UNH-centric. And what that means is we have high schoolers that work here, we have community college students that work here, trade school students, and then obviously university students. It's getting them exposure, but it's not exposure in an academic setting. The problems that they're working on are actual problems that industry has. They're solving real things on real-size equipment.
New Hampshire high school students like Gracie are getting hands-on experience and applying it to real companies.
I'm in high school and I am getting to be lead and getting to work on projects that I normally wouldn't get to do until post-grad or once I'm in industry.
The experience that they have give them an insight to industry that industry is looking for. They want students that have practical experience. They're getting offers from 17, 20 different companies that are saying, hey, with the experience you have, we'd love to have you here. And it's getting them jobs that they may not have been at the top of the list as easily on had they just gone through and learned book smart type things.